Nestled near the renowned thermal resort of Agia Paraskevi lies a modest beach, featuring a mix of sand and stones along its shoreline. Despite the peak of the season, it maintains a tranquil ambience, attracting those seeking respite from crowded shores. Loutra Agias Paraskevi Beach offers both equipped and untouched areas. The seabed, though rocky, beckons non-swimmers with its gentle entry into the water, while water shoes are advised for sensitive feet. Some beach bars dot the coastline, offering reasonably priced refreshments. And for a complete day of relaxation, the modern wellness complex nearby beckons with its rejuvenating amenities, including outdoor pools overlooking the bay and indulgent spa treatments amidst breathtaking views of the sea and sky. Follow our YouTube and Instagram pages to find more about Greece and Halkidiki. Visit our website at halkidiki.guide for more insights. Check the description for links.